Hello, my name is Johannes. I work for LEMKEN in the product marketing and I'm responsible for the product group of seed drills. Today I want to explain you something about our new seeding combination Solitair PT with an integrated power harrow. Here we are at the 3-point linkage, the connection between the tractor and the machine. In this case we have a 3-point linkage in the 3-point hitch of the tractor. It's also available with a single point hitch with a ball's eye or the ball hitch for bigger tractor width. We have two lengths for the drawbar. This is the smaller drawbar. We have also a longer version, and this is special for tractors with twin tires with 4 meter width. So that is good if you want to have small turning angles at the headlands. Next point here in the front of the machine is the tire packer roller. We have a pre-running tire packer roller as an option. It's also available with 2 wheels on every side of the machine for a very comfortable working in the field. Maybe you're wondering about the big gap between the middle section of the tire packer roller and the outer section of the tire packer roller. And this is because this machine is equipped for a tractor with duals or with twin tires. So we have a wheel mark irrigator. In this case, with this point shares, it's also available with a disc chair, fully integrated in the software of the machine. So if you lift the machine with one spool wave, then everything goes step by step down and up at the headland of the field. Here we see our seed hopper. In this case, we have a single hopper with 4,400 liters capacity, and we have 4 dosing units for this hopper. If you want to have a double hopper with 60-40 splitting, it is available with 5,100 liters capacity, even in a pressurized system. So in this single hopper we have a roll top cover. With a pressurized system we have a pressure resistant hopper tarp or hopper cover, so that we can bring a lot of seeds and fertilizer out of the hopper. If you can see here, Solitair PT. PT stands for Power Harrow Trade, and Power Harrow is very important for that machine. We have an integrated power harrow with 4 tines per meter working with, or 4 rotors per meter working with. That means we have a very good soil crumbling effect, even in heavy soils. And special for LEMKEN is the arrangement of the tines. That makes it that we have a very smooth running of the power harrow and a very good crumbling effect, as I said. So we don't have any bolts in the gearbox of the power harrow. And what's also important to know about that combination with the Solitair PT and the power harrow is that we have in series we have the hydraulic setting of the working width of the power harrow, and as an option we have the hydraulic setting of the leveling bar of the power harrow. That means if you have a field with a big variety of soil conditions, you can lift the leveling bar in the area where you have very light soil, and you could pull the leveling bar down in areas where you have very hard soil conditions. That makes sure that you have the heavier soil longer in the working area of the tines, so you have later on a better crumbling effect. Here you can see that we have 4 dosing units. As I said, 4 dosing unit means we have 4 sections on this machine. So this machine is available in 6 meter working width, and with this 6 meter working width we have sections of 1 meter 50. Every distributor is connected to a dosing unit, and with this dosing unit we are using on all new types of pneumatic seed drills we have at LEMKEN. It's a fertilizer resistant dosing unit with some dosing wheels in it. You can change them without tools. Depending on the seed or fertilizer you want to bring out, you can change it very easy. We have a big variety of dosing wheels, and that's very easy for you as a customer. If we have the double hopper, you could imagine that we have here another row of 4 dosing units, that we have also the 4 sections at the end of the machine. With the Solitair PT it is possible to use the single shot mode. That means we have a mixture of seeds and fertilizer, for example, in the Coulter bar. The calibration is very easy to handle. You can start it in the tractor cabin on the tractor terminal or on the CCI terminal. Another way is that you could use the IQ Blue Go app on your smartphone or tablet, and you could do it very easily with that. what you have to do here at the machine is you have to set this valve, this flap, then you have to turn around the calibration trail, the seeds are going in, and it's everything is done afterwards. So very easy and comfortable. Here we are at our tire packer roller. So we have these big tires here. These tires have a diameter of 90 centimeters. They have an offset of 10 centimeters. That makes sure that we don't have this bulldozing effect on very light soils. We have a very good reconsolidation effect with this tire packer roller. If you have this machine in 6 meter working with, in the middle section, the wheels are of course also responsible for the road transport. So the two middle wheels pressure less when you have folded the machine, so it's very comfortable to go with this machine on the road. Next step, you could have two options. You could have, like we have here, a fixed connection between the seeding bar and the seed drill, or the power harrow part of the machine. It's also possible to have the connection with a 3-point linkage. That means you could connect your precision planter to the Solitair PT. So you could do seed bed preparation and seeding of corn, for example, in one path. So this is an option for that machine. And if you have this option, of course you have to buy another version of the seeding bar, also equipped with a 3-point linkage. That makes it very flexible for you. You could use the Solitair PT with the power harrow and the precision planter in the springtime, but also with a seed drill in the autumn for wheat seeds or barley or what else. Let's go back to this machine. So we have here also, that's also a topic connected to the reconsolidation, is that we have this trapeze packer roller. But this is a special one with plastic, and you could set that in 2 steps, in up to 10 steps. You can set the pressure of this roller for an optimum reconsolidation in front of the double disc Coulter bar. What's also available instead of this roller is that we have a special harrow in between the space of these big tires to make a very flat soil surface after the tire packer roller for optimum seed placement afterwards. Here we are at our seed distributors. So we have 4 seed distributors on this 6 meter machine. That means we have sections of 1,50 meters. Especially for this seed distributors is a tramline system. So we have these rings inside the distributor with a very symmetrical arrangement of the outlet. At that point we have every seed pipe is prepared with seeds, and if we want to do a tramline, then the dosing unit is going slower depending on how many rows you want to shut off. And then we have an hydraulic system underneath this distributor, and then we push that down. And then, for example, this and this pipe is without seeds because you have to seed, or you want to seed, the tramline. Also interesting to note that we have also a symmetrical arrangement in these rings, even if we are working in the tramline system. And that's also one point for our very good equal seed stance, even about the whole working with, even if you want to use the tramline. So we have 4 distributors right above the seeding bar, with very short distances between the distributor and the seed bar or the seed disc. That makes it very good that you have a very good seed placement about the whole working width of the seed drill. Yes, you can see here we have some sensors to see if the seed is going through the pipe, or that we have blockages inside, for example. And then you can have, like here, with one sensor, or you could equip every pipe with a sensor like that. So that's also very interesting for your comfort in the field. Here we are at our seeding bar. We have a double disc Coulter bar with a pressure wheel behind. So that's very common for Lemken. So here we have the version, the OptiDisc M version, with a mechanical Coulter pressure system. That means we can have up to 45 kilogram. You can set this pressure here with this bolt on every row in a single way. If you want to have a very comfortable way, you could order the hydraulic system, the so-called OptiDisc H, with up to 70 kilogram Coulter pressure. You could set this Coulter pressure in the tractor cabin in 10 steps. Also very interesting if you have a very big variety of soil conditions from light to heavy soil. then you could reduce the culture pressure in the lighter soil area, for example. So that's very comfortable. If you want to change the seeding depth, it's also very comfortable because you could do that with this scale here and with this bolt. Then you change the arrangement between this double disc Coulter and this pressure wheel, so it goes more down in the front, for example, then you are seeding a little bit deeper. What's also very important to know is that we at Lemken have the possibility to set the culture pressure and the seeding depth in a different way. So we don't need the culture pressure to set the seeding depth. So we can do that in two types. And that's also one reason for these very good field emergencies we have with this OptiDisc seeding bar. After the double disc Coulter, we have this pressure wheel, and this pressure wheel is responsible for the seed to soil contact after the seed placement. We have this harrow behind. This is a so-called precision harrow. You can lift it hydraulically in areas where you don't need it, but you could bring it down also with this hydraulic system. As you can see, you have a lot of possibilities to set this the working quality and the working effect of the machine. And but it's also possible to have the easier version, the toolless single harrow. That means you can set this harrow without tools. Yeah, then you have one harrow tine for 2 rows where you place the seeds for a very flat and even soil surface after the seeding process. That's all for today about the Solitair PT. If you have further more questions, contact your Lemken dealer, our Lemken sales guys, or have a look on our website.